Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Speaklio English, where learning English is easy and fun.
Hello, friends. We're so happy to see you here today.
How are you doing today?
I'm doing great, and I'm so excited because today we have something really special for you.
Yes, today we're going to learn how to speak English confidently in your daily life. And guess what? It's easier than you think.
That's right. Many people feel nervous when they speak English, but today we will show you a simple method that will help you feel more confident.
Whether you're at a cafe, at work, or talking to friends, you will learn how to speak without fear.
Before we start, please remember to subscribe, like, and share this video. It really helps us create more content for you.
Yes, hit that subscribe button right now, and don't forget to turn on notifications so you never miss our videos.
All right, are you ready to become a confident English speaker?
Let's do this.
So, let's start with the most important question. Why do people feel nervous when speaking English?
That's a great question. Many people feel nervous because they are afraid of making mistakes.
Exactly. They think, oh no, what if I say the wrong word? What if people laugh at me?
But here's the truth. Making mistakes is okay. Making mistakes is how we learn.
That's so true. Even native speakers make mistakes sometimes.
Right. So the first step to speaking confidently is to accept that mistakes are normal.
Accept mistakes. Don't be afraid of mistakes. Say it with me, everyone. Mistakes are okay.
Great! Now let's talk about our easy method. We call it the 3S method.
Ooh, the 3S method. I like the sound of that. What does it mean?
The 3S method stands for start simple, speak slowly, and stay positive.
Start simple, speak slowly, and stay positive. That's easy to remember.
Let's break it down. First, start simple. What does that mean?
Start simple means you don't need to use complicated words or long sentences.
Exactly. When you speak English in daily life, use short, simple sentences.
For example, instead of saying, I would be extremely delighted if you could possibly assist me, just say, can you help me?
Perfect example. Can you help me? That's simple and clear.
Let's practice more simple sentences. If you're at a cafe, you can say, I would like a coffee, please.
I would like a coffee, please. Simple and polite.
Or if you're at a store, you can say, how much is this?
How much is this? Easy, right, everyone?
Yes. And if you're talking to a friend, you can say, what do you think?
What do you think? See, you don't need complicated words.
Now let's talk about the second S, speak slowly.
Speak slowly is very important. Many learners try to speak very fast because they think it sounds better.
But speaking fast can make you more nervous, and people might not understand you clearly.
That's right. When you speak slowly, you have time to think about your words.
And when you speak slowly, people can understand you better.
Let me give you an example. Listen to this fast version. Hi, my name is Sarah and I work at a school. Nice to meet you.
Wow, that was so fast. I almost couldn't understand it.
Now, listen to the slow version. Hi, my name is Sarah. I work at a school. Nice to meet you.
Perfect. That was clear and easy to understand.
So remember, friends, speak slowly. Don't rush. Take your time.
Take your time. It's not a race. Communication is more important than speed.
Exactly. Now, let's talk about the third S. Stay positive.
Stay positive. This is my favorite one.
Why is it your favorite?
Because attitude is everything. If you think, I can't do this, you will feel nervous and give up.
But if you think, I can do this, I am learning and improving every day, you will feel more confident.
That's the power of positive thinking. Stay positive means believe in yourself.
Even if you make a mistake, don't worry about it. Just smile and continue.
Yes, native speakers don't care if you make small mistakes. They care about the message you're trying to share.
Exactly. Let me tell you a quick story. Last week, I was talking to my friend and I said, I goed to the store instead of I went to the store.
Oh, a small grammar mistake.
Yes, but my friend didn't laugh at me. She understood what I meant and we continued our conversation.
See, mistakes are not a big problem. The important thing is to keep talking and stay positive.
Now, let's practice the 3S method together in a real life situation.
Good idea. Let's imagine we're at a restaurant.
Okay, I'll be the customer and you be the waiter. Ready?
Ready. Hello, welcome to our restaurant. How can I help you today?
Hello, I would like a table for two, please.
Of course, right this way. Here is your table. Can I get you something to drink?
Yes, please. I would like water.
Water. Great. And are you ready to order food?
Not yet. Can I have a menu, please?
Sure. Here is the menu. Take your time.
Thank you.
Excellent. Did you notice what happened there?
Yes, I used simple sentences. I would like a table for two, and can I have a menu, please?
And you spoke slowly and clearly. You didn't rush.
And I stayed positive. Even though I was a little nervous, I smiled and kept going.
That's the 3S method. Start simple, speak slowly, and stay positive.
Now, let's practice another situation. This time, let's imagine you're asking for directions.
Okay, I'll ask for directions and you help me. Ready?
Ready?
Excuse me, can you help me?
Of course. What do you need?
I'm looking for the train station. Where is it?
The train station is 2 blocks from here. Go straight, then turn left.
Go straight, then turn left. Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Have a nice day.
Great. I used simple sentences again.
Yes. Can you help me? And where is it? Very simple and very clear.
And I spoke slowly so you could understand me easily.
And you stayed positive. You didn't say, "Oh, I'm so bad at English." You just asked confidently.
That's right. Confidence comes from practice and a positive attitude.
Now, let me give you some bonus tips for speaking English confidently every day.
Ooh, bonus tips. Everyone, pay attention.
Bonus tip number 1. Practice in the mirror. Every morning, talk to yourself in English for 5 minutes.
Practice in the mirror. That's a great tip. You can practice introducing yourself or talk about your day.
Exactly. For example, you can say, "Good morning. My name is Anna. Today, I will go to work. I will have a meeting at 10 a.m."
Simple sentences, speaking to yourself. This builds confidence.
Bonus tip number 2. Use English in small moments during your day.
What do you mean by small moments?
For example, when you're making breakfast, say the words in English. I am making eggs. I am drinking coffee.
Oh, I love that. So you're practicing English while doing normal activities.
Yes, or when you're getting dressed, say, I am wearing a blue shirt. I am putting on my shoes.
This is brilliant. You're making English part of your daily routine.
Bonus tip number 3. Don't translate in your head. Think in English.
This is challenging, but so important.
When you translate from your native language to English, it takes more time and you feel less confident.
So instead, try to think directly in English, even if it's simple thoughts.
For example, if you see a dog, don't think in your language and then translate. Just think, "That's a cute dog."
That's a cute dog, simple and direct.
The more you practice thinking in English, the more confident you will become.
And bonus tip number 4, find an English-speaking friend or language partner.
Yes, speaking with real people is the best practice.
You can find language partners online, or maybe you have English-speaking friends in your city.
Practice with them regularly. Even 15 minutes a day makes a big difference.
Remember, they don't care if you make mistakes. They want to help you learn.
And finally, bonus tip number 5. Watch English content every day.
Like Speaklio English videos.
Exactly. Watch YouTube videos, listen to podcasts, watch movies with English subtitles.
When you listen to English every day, your brain gets used to the language.
And you start to speak more naturally and confidently.
Okay, everyone, we've reached the end of today's lesson.
Thank you so much for watching and learning with us today.
We hope you feel more confident about speaking English in your daily life.
Remember the 3S method. Start simple, speak slowly, and stay positive.
Now we have homework for you. We want to hear from you.
In the comments below, please tell us what is one English sentence you will practice today.
Write it in English. It can be simple, like I am happy or can you help me?
We will read all your comments and reply to you. We love hearing from our Speaklio English family.
And don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you haven't already.
Hit that like button and share this video with your friends who are learning English.
We create new videos every week to help you improve your English in a fun and easy way.
You are doing a great job. Learning a language takes time, but you are making progress every single day.
Believe in yourself. You can speak English confidently. We know you can.
Keep practicing, stay positive, and we'll see you in the next video.
Goodbye, everyone.
See you next time on Speak Leo English.